Hello everyone, in this video we'll create one form by using all the possible fields given in the GForms app. Okay, let me clear you one thing before creating the form. Okay, what is field? Field is like this kind of blank. Okay, the blank where the user can enter the data. This we call as a field. This is a short answer field, and this is a calendar field. This field is a multiple choice field, and this is a drop down field, and this is the paragraph field, and this is the checkbox field. This is the file upload field, and this is the ratings field. Okay, I think you got the point. All the blanks or all the options that given for the user to enter the data, we call them as the fields in the GForms. Okay, in the GForms app, we are having these kind of different fields. Okay, and next, this is known as the question for that field. Okay, question means it is a hint for the user what to answer for that field. Okay, name is the question for this field, age is the question for this field, date of birth is the question for this field. Okay, when user read this question or the hint or the keyword, so that user can easily understand what data needs to be entered in this field. Okay, I think you got the clarity what is field and what is the question. Now let's create a a form. Okay, student registration form, and also give some validation rules like this. That means we will verify the data. Okay, if we will give some rules for every field. Okay, if any user's data violates that rule, then let's pose one error message for that rule violation. Okay, now let's go to the G forms. Okay, all the Google forms available in this menu. Just click on that menu and go for the forms. Okay, to create a new form we need to just click on the plus here. Okay, here comes our Google form. By default, you will be provided with the title field as well as one multiple choice field. Now, give the title for your field. Okay, student registration. Okay, and description is like sorry, it's wrong. Okay, let me check this. Okay, description it is the description related to the form. Okay, to sign up a student for school. That means it is a registration form for the student to get into the school. Okay, and here is the field. How to edit this field? Just select that one. You will be provided with the options to edit this field. Okay, first field I would like to take this field for the question name. Okay, you cannot take the multiple choice field for the name. Okay, better we prefer the short answer to get the name from the user. I'm changing the question here. I'm changing the question to name. Okay, one field is over. Okay, now let's take the another question. Select add question, and here I would like to take the age. Okay, for the age, the short answer itself, we can prefer the short answer field itself. I'm giving the question as age. Okay, now for this Okay, let me give this name as a required. That means if any user leave this blank, it should show the error message. Okay, to make it required, then we need to just on this required button. Okay, then any user tries to leave this blank, and immediately the error message, required error message, gets appear. Okay, now go to the age field, and let's give some validation rules. That means checking rules. Okay, you can check the data. You can provide one rule for that data, and if any user's data violates that rule, then you can throw the error message as well. How to do that? How to pose the rule for this field? Just click on this options menu and go for the response validation. That means you are validating the response of the user. Okay, I'm just stating that it should be the number, and we have to check that it should be the number itself, and it should be like for the school, the student should be, for the school registration, the student should be a student age should be greater than or equal to 6. Is that correct or not? According to the government norms, it is like it should be greater than or equal to 6. Okay, we have to write the data greater than or equal to what? 6. Okay, if any data is violating that rule, then we should throw the error message, right? I'm just giving the error message like student age should be greater than or equal to 6. Okay, I'm just giving the error message like this. Okay, I did not give the space D. Okay, now it's fine. Okay, now let me go to the another question. Okay, I would like to take the question for the date of birth. Okay, now just add question. Here I would like to take the date of birth. To For the date of birth, we need to take the field like date. Okay, then you need to give the question date of birth. Date of birth. Okay, then when you click on this icon, calendar icon, you will be provided with the calendar, so that you can select the date, day easy, and day, everything easy. Okay, now just go to the select another question and use the another field. Okay, I'm just using it for the multiple choice. I'm using the multiple choice field, and I'm giving the question as gender. Okay, this kind of multiple choice, we call them as the radio buttons. When you are using the radio buttons, that means for this we can select only one option, and when you are going for the checkbox multiple choice, okay, I'll tell you, but remember this: when you are using the this multiple choice, radio button multiple choice, okay, user can select only one option out of all provided options. Okay, you can change this option name, just backspace that and give that as a correct option. Okay, and you can add another option by clicking on this add option. Okay, automatically it is giving you the options as well. Okay, that's it. Okay, let me take the another question. Here I would like to take the phone number would be what? Short text itself. Okay, I'm just selecting the short text and phone number. User should provide the phone number, and I am restricting, I would like to restrict the user's data. Okay, just go to the menu and click on the response validation. I'm just checking that is number. It should be the number. Okay, and if anybody is trying to type the text in that field, then it should shows that enter valid phone number. Okay, other than the number, if any user is trying to enter the data for this field, then it will show the enter valid phone number error message. Okay, now let's go and add the another field, which I am taking it for grades. Okay, uh, parent or the student needs to select the grade. Okay, okay, it is already taking that this option. Okay, multiple choice, yes, student can select only one option, right? Okay, here I am not going to use a multiple choice, I would like to use a drop down. Okay, when you click on that drop down, all the grades gets dropped down. Okay, I'm just changing this one, grade 1, and another option, add option 2, grade 2, and add another option, grade 3. Like that you can give all the grades possible. Okay, if you would like to delete any grade, any option, you can delete this by just clicking on the cross mark. Okay, or otherwise if you would like to delete this field itself, okay, this whole field itself, you just click on the delete question. Otherwise you would like to move this field, okay, move this field to the another position, you just move your mouse pointer onto the top of the field and just hold the left button, and you can move the position of the field as well. Okay, is this clear everyone? Okay, okay, now I would like to take another field after phone number. I would like to take another question. This is for the address. Okay, I'm just giving the um, question as address, and automatically it is taking the paragraph. Okay, for this paragraph I would like to give maximum limit of the character should be the 5 characters. Usually it is not like that, it will be like a 30 or 50 characters, but for the explanation purpose I'm just taking I'm giving the validation rule, okay, response rule, as the character count should be the character count should be 5 characters. That's it. Okay, it is not the minimum, it should be the maximum character should be the 5 characters, and you have to give the error message as well. Maximum characters is 5. Okay, maximum characters count is 5. Okay, sorry, maximum characters count is 5. Okay, and then let me take the another question. Okay, this question I would like to take the field checkbox. Okay, I'm just referring the question sports here. Okay, that means a student can select multiple sports. Okay, I told you that I'll tell you the difference between checkbox multiple choice and this radio buttons multiple choice. With the radio buttons we can select only one option, but with the check boxes multiple choice you can select multiple options. Okay, sports, here we are providing football, and another option volleyball. Okay, like that you can give the options. Okay, and let me go and add the another question. Here I would like to use the file upload. That means we are asking for the photo. Okay, continue, we can take it from the drive as well, and here I am giving the question as a photo. That means students need to upload their photos. Okay, here you can restrict the file type as well. I'm just switching on it. That means if you are taking the document, you can select this document. That means user can enter or user can attach only the document file. Here the photo would be the image, right? That's why I'm checking this image box. Okay, so that this field takes only the pictures. Okay, not any other file types. Okay, and you can specify the number of photos you would like to consider, and also the maximum file size. You can mention maximum file size as well. Okay, like that you can give the file upload field. And I'm going to the another question. In this question I would like to give the rating. Okay, you can select any of these ratings. I'm just selecting this rating. Okay, and I'm providing the question as feedback. okay, and feedback, and you can select this feedback icons as well. If you would like to add the video from your YouTube, and you can search for that, and you can just add that field as well. Okay, now let's preview this form. Okay, go to the preview option and just select the preview. Okay, now let's enter the data which violates our rules. Okay, here I'm just leaving this blank, and I'm just going to enter the next field. Okay, it is showing you the error. This is required, this is required. And also age we have given that student age must be greater than 6. Okay, I'm just entering the tree, and I'm going for the next field. It is showing you the error message that age should be greater than or equal to 6. And you can select the date of birth as well by going through like this. Okay, and you can choose. This is a drop down field. This is how the drop down field looks like. That means when you click on that, something will get dropped down. Okay, you can select the grade and female or the male. I already told you that with the radio buttons multiple choice, we can select only one option. And giving to the phone number we have given the response rule as it must be the number. And I'm just trying to enter the text, that's why it is throwing the error like enter valid phone number. And here address we have given the response validation as it should be the 5 characters. I'm just crossing the 5 character, and it is showing the error message like maximum character count is 5. And coming to the multiple choice, this is a checkbox provides you to select a multiple choice, so that you can see that I could select both the options. And coming to the photo upload, you just click on the add, it will move to browse from your drive, and you can upload the data from your computer as well by selecting this browse option. Okay, and like that you can provide the photo as well, and you can give the rating as well. Okay, everything is done. Okay, now let's learn how to publish this one. Okay, how to publish our form. Okay, just click on the publish, and you can select manage whom can access your whom can access your form. Okay, here I'm just I would like to send my form as a link. Okay, anyone can access my link, access through the link. Okay, I'm just clicking like that, selecting like that. Okay, so that whomever receive this link, they can access the form. Okay, I'm just clicking on done. That means it's get published. Okay, now the form got published, so that you can send. Okay, you can copy the link, and you can send it to anyone through the mail. Otherwise you would like to mail to anyone, you just select this, you just select that the person icon, and you can write the mail id of that person, and you can just give the done. Okay, then it will goes to their mail id. Okay, I hope you found this video informative, and thanks for watching.